Skin is here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Exercise 14.1. Question number first. Sixth part. Sixteen x cube minus 4x square 32x. Okay. Now factors of 16x cube. Please tell me. 16x cube. Factors of 16x cube. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. X cube can be written as x cube can be written as
X into X into
x into
X
3 times.
into X into
3 times x into x into x. Very good. Now minus 4x square. Okay.
2 into 2.
Yes. Minus 2 into 2 into x into x. Okay. 32x. 32 can be written as 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And that is x. Okay. Yes. Now common factors. 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. This is common. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
2 is common. Now in 16x
So
cube,
first
2 is here.
minus 2 है minus 4x square.
No. Yes, 2 is there, not.
Yes, sir. 2 is there.
Yes. We are not taking minus 2 as a common. Here x x here x. Now common factor is 2 into 2 x into x. 2 into 2 x into x. Common factors.
But there is only one egg at 32.
Sir, in the last term there is only one X.
And it goes.
Only 1x. Multiply sign. Okay, yes, multiply sign is there. Okay.
The plural.
2 into 2 into x. That is 4x. Okay. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
So,
Any doubt, any problem in question number first?
No, sir.
No problem?
Sir.
no, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Question number 2, first part. Factorize the following expression 7x minus 42. 7x minus 42. 7 and 42 comes in the same table, that is 7. Okay. Now 7 is a common factor in both the terms. 7 is common factor in both the term. If 7 is common, 7x divided by 7. 7x divided by 7. So left is x. Okay. Now 7 6 are 42.
42.
Yes. Any doubt, any problem?
No.
No, sir.
Minus 16z plus 20z cube. Now coefficient of z is minus 16 and coefficient of z cube is 20. 16 and 20 comes in the same table. 16 and 20
Yes,
comes
sir.
in
4.
HCF of 16 and 20. Highest common factor.
तुम्हारी गाली. लगा.
What is common in 16? 16 and 20. Highest
So
common factor.
Z.
Highest common factor of 16 and 20. HCF of 16 and 20. 16 and 20 comes in table of 2, but 16 and 20 comes in table of 4 also.
4.
So HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. Okay. HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
4 4 are 16 minus 4 z plus sorry इसमें z भी कॉमन है. Z is also common. Z is also common. Sixteen and 20 common factor is for z and z cube. यहाँ पे z है, यहाँ पे z cube है. इसको ब्रेक कर सकते हो आप. If there is problem, you can break it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can break it. If there is problem, you can break it. Minus 2 into 2. Here minus here 2 and z common. Left is minus 2 into 2 plus sign. 2 and 2 common. 5 left out into z. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4z minus 4 plus 5z square. Minus 4 plus 5z square. Okay. Question number 2. Fifth part. Yes. 20 L square m plus 30 ALM. Okay. Now break 20. 20 can be break as 2 into 5. L square can be written as L into N and M plus 30 can be written as 2 2s are 2 3s are 6 6 5 are 30 and A into L into M. Yes, 2 plus sign is there. plus sign is there, and this is the first term, this is the second term, and we will observe in first term as well as second term. फर्स्ट टर्म में और सेकंड टर्म में ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 है. ओके, now here is 3, here is 2, no common, here is 5, here is 5. समझ में आ रहा सभी को? यहाँ पे L है,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे L है,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे M है, यहाँ पे M. चेक करिए. Now what is common? 2, 5, L, M. 2 into 5 into L into N is common. Now left out 2 into L, twice of L, plus thrice of A. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No problem?
Yes, sir.
2 5s are 10. LM twice of L, thrice of A. Twice of L plus thrice of A. Tan A square minus 15B square plus 20C square. Okay. Now break that 10. Break it. How can you write the 10 as prime factorization of 10 is 2 into 5. Very good. And A square can be written as
A into H.
A into A. Very good. 15. Prime factorization of 15 is
3 into 5.
3 into 5.
3 into 5.
And yes. And B square can be B into B.
D into B.
Very good. Prime factorization of 20.
The 2 into 5.
2 into 5 into C into C into C.
Into C.
Okay. Now there are 3 terms. There are
Five
3
is
terms.
common.
First term,
The 5 is common.
5 is common in all the 3 terms. 5, 5, 5.
Only 5 is common.
Only 5 is common? Yes. Now what is left inside? 2 into A
Minus 3 into B into B.
3 into B into B.
Plus 2 multiply C multiply C.
2 into 2 C into C into C. Okay. Now it becomes
Plus C over 50 square and flip.
C
Yes,
square.
sir.
Okay. Twice of A square.
A square minus B square.
Twice of B square.
Plus 4C.
Twice of C square. Any doubt, any problem? 2 to the 4. Yes. 2 to the 4. 4c square. Okay. Question number 2, 10th part. ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Okay. Now ax square y, a into x into x into y, it can be written as. Now it can be written as b into x into y and c into x into y into z. There are three terms. In first term a, but in second term a is not there. In first term x, second term x and third term x. X is common. X is common.
Yes, right. Y is common.
Now
Sir, x and y is common.
y is common. Y is there. Y is there. Y is there. X and y is common. X, y is common. Yes. Now remaining algebraic expression is remaining ax. If x, y is common, now left out is ax plus by plus
And plus CZ.
cz. Cz. Do it.
And
First part, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay. Now please tell me what is common in first two terms and what is common in last two terms.
The first two terms it is x.
X is common. If we will take x is okay, yes. If we will take x as common, now here are two x, x square x into x. I have taken one x as common. Now another x is inside the bracket. Now x is common, y is there. Okay? Any doubt in problem?
no, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What is common in last two terms?
The 8.
If 8 is common, okay, yes. What is left behind?
So x plus y.
X plus
Sir,
y.
x plus.
Okay, yes. You are observing that in bracket x plus y, there are same common factors. X plus y. If there are different common factor, it means we are doing something wrong. अगर कोई डिफरेंट कॉमन फैक्टर आ रहा है तो मतलब कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं. आपका सेम कॉमन फैक्टर आना चाहिए. जैसे x plus y.
x plus 8 x plus y.
इसका मतलब है कि हमने सही
सही किया है. वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे जैसे x plus y both are same, it means we are doing correct. अगर यहाँ पे x plus y है, वहाँ पे x minus y है, तो we are doing something wrong. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is your first term, this is your second term. Now what is common in first term and second term? Please tell me. X plus y is here, x plus y is there. X plus y is common. Now what is left here? यहाँ पे क्या बच गया आपके पास? अगर if you are taking x
Yes,
plus y
sir.
as common, what is left behind? X is there, x plus 8. This is your final answer. Please note down it.
No, sir.
Fifteen xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Okay. Now what is common in first two terms and what is common in last two terms?
Inside of those, it's
3 and x.
15 and 6.
3.
Listen to me. 15 and 6 come in table of 3. Here is x, here is x is also common. Now 3 5s are 15 and y is there. 3 2s are 6, x is also come out. Now what is common last two terms?
Sir, nothing.
Nothing. If there is no common, there is one common factor. जहाँ पे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता वो वन कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. क्या होता है कॉमन फैक्टर है? वन होता है.
1.
Okay.
One.
Yes. One is common. It means 5y minus 2. It means 5y minus 2 and 5y minus 2 both are same. Both are same. It means we are doing correct. We are doing correct.
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 Yes. Okay. Now what is common in two terms?
Y minus 2.
5y minus 2.
Right? 5 minus 2.
3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. 5y minus 2 and 3x plus 1.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No
No,
problem? Okay. Now, third part.
Yes.
Ax plus by minus ay
Dx. Sir, ax plus bx.
ax plus bx, very good, minus ay minus by. Here is bx. Now please tell me what is common in first two terms and what is common in last two terms.
Correct.
X is common in
Sir,
first.
x and
Yes, x is
X
common in first two terms. Okay. Now what is left in first terms?
A plus
A plus b. Okay. What is common in last two terms? Minus is here, minus is here. Minus and y is ay and by. So y is common factor. If minus is common, minus minus plus a and minus minus plus, that is b. Now here is a plus b, both are same. So a plus b is common factor and x minus y. Okay,
Okay, sir.
do it.
done, sir.
Question number 3. Fifth part. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Okay. Z minus 7. Rearrange it. First of all, we will rearrange it. Okay. Z minus, rearrange it. Rearrange it. Z minus x y z. क्योंकि if you will take z as common, there will be 1 minus xy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Minus 7 plus 7xy. Okay. Now please tell me what is common in first two terms. First two terms and what is common in last two terms.
There is also from x,
There is one term Z is common.
and then the second is
Last term 7 is common.
Z is common.
yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
1 minus xy. What is common in last two terms? Minus 7 common.
7.
7.
7 1 7 1. If minus is common, plus sign change into minus sign. If there is minus sign before the bracket, then all the sign in the bracket will be changed. Minus sign change into plus sign change into minus sign. And 7 is common, so there is xy. So 1 minus xy is common factor.
Yes.
Okay. Now 1 minus xy
Yes, sir.
and z minus 7. Z minus 7.